In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily view your followers on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Facebook app. Once the app is open, tap right here at your profile picture to head over to your Facebook profile page. Then tap at these three dots button next to Edit Profile to go to Profile Settings. And then somewhere here you will find Activity Log. Once you get into Activity Log, tap at Connections. Here we got friends and followers. We need to tap at Manage Followers button. And then we need to filter this data by followers. To do that, tap at Filters, then select Categories, and then select People who followed you. Once you tap at People who followed you, it will filter and show you all the users who followed you and the day they followed you. These data are sorted in chronological order from recent to oldest. That's how you can easily find all of your followers. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.